Namaste. Today's question from viewers is: we know that doing exercise, stretching, walking is important to our health. But what is the reason we are not able to keep it continue for more than a week or sometimes for more than even 2 days? We need some external motivation. My Bauji says that reason behind this is the lack of minimum energy which is required to do that particular task. That's why we need some external energy source. So, what to do to generate our own that minimum energy so that we can not only practice it but we can remain consistent in practicing. For this, one very small practice is to fix any 10 minutes of the day and keep continue for practicing any exercises for those 10 minutes. So, number one, fix the time and duration. Number two, fix the kind of exercises you will follow in that schedule, in those 10 minutes. That is very important. And the most important thing, the time should not change, and also the duration, number of exercise, that should also not change for at least 21 days or to 30 days. So by doing so, what are we doing? We are sending message to ourselves, to our mind, which always deviate us, we are generating energy in that time duration so that we can remain consistent and we can send strong signals to our body that this is necessary, this is important. And you will find that after some days your body will demand that, like your body demand meals. So it will become like an important meal of the day. So we'll start doing some very simple stretching exercises today, which are important to follow for every new beginner, for every beginner. Initially, our muscles are stiff, so we can't jump into any heavy exercise. And in routine also, we always start with the warm up. So today we'll practice a warm up exercise which we can do even on the floor or anywhere, even in the bed and even in chair in the office. So just sit in this posture and start with the micro exercises for the joints. So we'll start with the toes. Curl your toes like this as we curl the fingers. We can also place our hands and relax. So upper body is relaxed. We are just practicing, we are just starting from the lower body, and that's too from the toes. So curl your toes, close your eyes and feel it. Just take long deep breaths. Do it gently, slowly, 10 to 15 times. Our feet. So how we'll stretch? First, away from our face, away from us, and then towards us. Now in the position of this stretching, just hold and feel that stretch. Stretch out, in. Do it 10 times or as you feel comfortable initially. Now open your legs and then start rotating your one foot in clockwise direction. Do it gently and slowly, 5 times clockwise direction and then 5 times in anti-clockwise direction. By doing this, feel that your muscles are strengthening day by day. They are strengthening plus they are relaxing and stiffness is also going away. Now with other side, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then you can start both feet at once, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Then practice. Stretch your legs or feet outside, then in, out, in, out, in, out, in. You can also practice little bit fast if you are comfortable with. So you are giving energy to your lower body and removing the stiffness. These are micro joint movements, warm up exercises which are required for everyone to practice before starting anything. Now, after this, the last one. Place your left foot on your right thigh like this and then hold the toes from your hand and rotate in clockwise direction 5 times and then in anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction 5 times and then in anti-clockwise direction 5 times. It will relax you completely. All tiredness, stiffness will go away from lower body. Now change the side. Place right foot on left thigh. Grab your toes and move 5 times clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Yes, we can also practice all these stretching exercises even while doing work in the office, sitting in chair. Let me demonstrate. Now, curling fingers is very easy. We can do it. Then, stretching. Away from you, towards you. Hold. These exercises are also very important for knee health. Now, gentle rotation. You can also do it with only one foot, while other on rest and one is doing its work. Then with other, or you can do it with both. Place your left foot on right thigh and then simply rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise any number of times. This is so relaxing, especially in office. Anytime we can do it. With other side. So these are small stretching exercises for our micro joints. Please practice, enjoy and increase your energy. Thank you.